I was getting really frustrated with delivery drivers delivering my packages to the wrong house because they couldn't find my address in the dark. So I was really excited to get this solar lighted address placard that you can just put right outside the yard. So I wanted to show you what this looks like. So I put it outside and I solar charged it for several hours so I could bring it in here to show you, but it has a light you just turn on. And I'm going to turn this light off so you can see the colors better. You can go through different lights, which is really nice. I really like that it has different lighted options. You can also put the numbers on the back here. I wanted to show you what it looked like without the numbers there first. You can just stick them on. They give you plenty of number options. Put this back on. 1234 is not my address, but you have so many options that I could use that. They kind of look like that. And they give you this little, two of these little outlines so you can put the numbers to line them up appropriately on there. So really helpful, something practical but really helpful. I'm going to show you what this looks like when the sun goes down. So it was starting to get a little dark around here. It's not terribly dark yet, but I wanted to show you what it looked like outside with just the regular color on. You can see it. I'm going to back up a little bit. You can easily identify the number. Perfect.